Ramen time? You think Sweden has ramen? Nah, I've never even seen one.
Can I? Is Shu talking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I haven't been able to hear him.
He wasn't speaking much. Can you hear him now?
Yeah, just
Can you hear him now?
just doing typing stuff, logistic stuff.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, he was just being quiet for a while. Yeah, no, he was just being quiet for a while.
Here's him!
That was weird. I thought it was me.
Yeah, we got it sorted!
Yeah.
That was weird. I thought it was me.
Yeah, we got it sorted!
Yeah.
Yeah!
No. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Love how we just immediately turn into the fucking seals from Finding Nemo.
This is the epitome of... This is the epitome of the whole... he's probably thinking about other women, and then he's probably thinking about
Seagulls,
other
right?
women,
Not seals.
and then him and the boys. Yeah. Mine.
Oh,
やる気が出ない、やる気が出ない、布団から出られない。